Are you looking for a classic Viking sport fish that's tournament ready and family cruisable? I'm Mike Scalisi with HMY Yachts, and today I'd like to welcome you aboard the 2006 68-foot Viking sport fish running over. The 68-foot Viking running over is a tournament battle wagon sport fish, but she also has a softer side with a lot of creature comforts and a great family cruising vessel. Here in the cockpit, the centerpiece is your teak offset pedestal full fighting chair. There's a transom live well, in-deck live well, a thwartship fish box, Eskimo ice dump. Here on the starboard side, we have a drink box, a grill up port side forward here, and up a couple steps here, you have a nice raised mezzanine seating area, Garmin electronics back here, great sound system, perfect for fishing or cruising, best of both worlds. Let's take a look at the 4 stateroom, 3-head interior layout on board the 68 Viking running over. Here in the main salon of running over, you can see, you really feel the wide beam, very spacious, very social. Immediately here to port are your breaker panels with all your shipboard components. There's a drink ice machine here. Right here on the port side, we have a pop-up flat screen TV. There you go. Here on the starboard side of the salon, you have a large L-shaped, recovered, ultra leather sofa. There's storage underneath here as well. Teak table, ottomans. As we continue forward, we have a dinette here, starboard side, high gloss teak table, huge U-shaped seating area, very social, integrated into the salon and the galley. Bar top, peninsula style galley, 2 seats, under counter refrigeration, 3 refrigerator drawers, 3 freezer drawers. Let's head down below to the lower accommodations and check out the 4 stateroom, 3-head layout. Immediately to port down below, it's really unique. There's a crew bunk bed stateroom with a crew private head. And one of the things that's cool is in that crew head, you have direct access to your engine room. On the starboard side of the hallway down below, you have a stackable washer and dryer here as well. Here we are on the flybridge of the 68 Viking running over. You can see here at the helm, you have a beautiful teak helm pod, Palm Beach style, single lever controls. There's bow thruster buttons right here in the sticks. There's also bow thruster pedals here in the floor on the bridge sole, which are pretty neat. So those will operate your thrusters. For electronics, we have a triple updated Garmin large screen, touch screen, multifunction displays. Great seating area on either side of the bridge. Up here, just forward of the helm, this is a huge refrigerator freezer. And this whole flybridge is climate controlled and has an air conditioner up here. Now for the fun part, let's take her for a sea trial. Thank you for joining me today aboard the 2006 68 Viking Convertible running over. If you have any further questions or would like to see this vessel in person, please feel free to contact me directly. My name is Mike Scalisi with HMY Yachts, and I appreciate the opportunity to earn your trust and business.